Good, my beautiful people, it's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? What's good? About to make a quick run, guys, but while we're making it, look at my baby over there, just kind of parked there. Thanks to network marketing. But I wanted to shoot this video today, guys, because shout out to everybody that's already taken a look at the new funnel that I put together as far as the instant payment funnel, as far as where you're able to get paid. In the actual funnel itself. So I actually have 4 income streams, guys. You might say, see where it says 3, but there's actually 4. I really didn't think about the 4th one until I actually was doing the bonus training, when I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to Udemy here. So, you know, once you sign up for the system or plug into the system for the income streams, you're gonna be able to also become an affiliate with Udemy. So Udemy is pretty much where it's a place where you can pretty much purchase, you know, traffic from a lot of people that built their following up off of building leads, and you're able to do that with this system with Udemy as well. Okay, so that's on the bonus training. But I wanted to put it together, guys, because I wanted to, you know, have something together for people that were looking to make money for Christmas. Someone that's just brand new in marketing. You know, they don't want to kind of go and get into lotions and potions. You know, they don't want to get, you know, scammed around. So I put together a good funnel together with income streams in place, and with companies that have been around, proven to be reputable companies, and for you to make some good money with them. So that's why I wanted to kind of put that together for you guys and show you what you can do with that particular funnel. So I did this strictly because a lot of people that know me know I market the Conversion Pros, and I brought in a lot of people in off of the Conversion Pros, so they just felt like, you know, they wanted something to tie directly into TCP that all these income streams could go with. So it's one link with multiple income streams. So that's why I wanted to put it together, guys, because I was inspired by other funnels here, and I wanted to do something, and also that allows you to brand yourself. So if you wanted to switch the links out and, you know, put your own videos and put your own stuff there, you can do that. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and put that together, because it's customizable. You don't have to build a brand of someone else. You don't have to build anyone else's brand. You're literally doing everything, you know, directly with you. See, I decided to do it with me, you know, and just show who I am as a person, you know, that I've been doing marketing, that I put this particular system together and tied it all together and put the training together for you to check it out. So this is built for the person that's looking to make money, guys. So, you know, I don't want you to think like, oh, you know, these companies are no good. These companies are some of the best companies that you can ever run into, and they're all about the actual community, and the communities are very strong in these programs, and that's why I'm a part of them, guys. So this is just one that I'm doing here, and the next one I'm gonna do here is gonna be for my econ group as well. So for people that want to brand themselves outside of, you know, ISP, or, you know, want to use something, or, you know, you're like, hey, I want to send them, before I send them to ISP, I want to have my own funnel, my own system set up. You're going to be able to do that too, and I'm going to pretty much put something together for that as well. But overall, guys, this is going to be something that you can definitely utilize. Like I said, Christmas is right around the corner. You want to have something that's going to allow you to generate income right away. And with the first income stream, as I mentioned, you're able to earn anywhere between from $25 all the way up to $2,000 per payout. Okay, and this is paid directly into your merchant account, your bank account, whatever. Second income stream, you're going to pretty much be paid every Friday, residual income. Okay, and that is going to run the whole system. The third income stream is going to allow you to pretty much give out incentives for people to join you, to pretty much look into your business. And then income stream number 4 is the traffic income stream. So if someone decides they want to buy traffic from, you know, a solo ad vendor, and they go through your link, you're going to get paid each time someone buys traffic. 4 income streams all in one on one link. Okay, and I put this together for everyone that was involved in TCPs, or if you're looking to be involved in TCP, I put this together for you to help you out as far as your income streams, guys. Multiple income streams, one system, guys. Love it, and they all tie in with each other. So that's why I put this together, man. It's going to be awesome. So I would love for you to check it out, and if you have questions or concerns, you can reach out to me. I want to make myself very, very reachable, okay, here. So I want people to be able to reach out to me. So if there's questions or concerns, you know, I'm here. My goal is to let you know that I'm here. I don't want people to think, oh, I joined this business, I can't talk to him, I don't want to talk to him, or he don't want to talk to me. No, reach out to me. Let me know. We can set up a time and I can help you out. But I won't be able to do this, or I won't know that you're needing this help unless you reach out, okay? So I'm gonna leave a link at the bottom for you to get started. I want you to click the link, sign up. You know, everything here to register is all free. You can pretty much set up everything up for free, and then go and pick your income stream on income stream number 1. So it's a free funnel at that too, man, where you can pretty much go through and set it all up for free. And now the first income stream number 1, you know, like I mentioned, you're gonna have to pretty much get yourself positioned in order to make some money on that. The other ones here, I get it, those are residual. But the main one is gonna pay you up front. You wanna make sure you're positioned at the highest one that you can be positioned with. And as an added bonus, this is gonna be for the 200 and this is gonna be for the 250 people. Anybody that comes in the first income stream at 250, and this is only for the next 5 people, okay? Only for 5. The next set of people that come in at the 250 level, I'm going to give you the $500 level, okay? So if you come in at the 250 level, I'm going to give you the $500 level. This is only for the next 5 people, and this is on income stream number 1. All right? So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.